Retail Arbitrage 2021. It's gonna save me, and I'm gonna show you why. Hello everybody, it's Shane the Rice and Grind Picker here on YouTube, and today we are going to talk about Retail Arbitrage 2021. Is it worth it? What's going on in the world? Why you can't find stuff? And yeah, if you don't know who I am, I sell online on Amazon, Walmart.com, and eBay, and I love doing eBay. Amazon's not my favorite anymore. I do really enjoy eBay. As you all know, there are lots of shortages, and I've been getting a few questions on how to combat that. All right, so here's a huge issue is right now on Amazon and eBay, it's really hard to make money doing retail arbitrage. Why? Is because there's tons of shortages everywhere, and there's a lot of things going on where you just can't find stuff, especially bolos. If it's a bolo, it's already too late. The problem being is that there's so many shortages across the United States with toys and food and other stuff, and cargo ships are not being unloaded. So retail arbitrage in 2021 is going to be very difficult. But I'm going to give you a few tips, and I'm going to also tell you and show you what I did to kind of combat the shortages. For the most part, I haven't been in any stores for a while, and this is why, is with all these shortages happening and all this stuff going on, I feel like it's really, really important to be able to find stuff to sell. And right now, RA is probably the worst way to source because stuff is so hard to find. Now, yeah, it's gonna increase the price of stuff, but it's also gonna increase your work. So with retail arbitrage, you're gonna have to go to 3 times probably the amount of stores that you would normally because of the shortages. I'm gonna show you something really fast. A couple things I picked up. They're for eBay. They're not for Amazon. And I'm going to show you some of the stuff I'm going to sell on Amazon, some of the stuff I'm not going to sell on Amazon. It'll go to eBay, and how I kind of hoarded this stuff because I kind of figured shortages were coming. So I'm just going to kind of lay this out there. I've been listing. Actually, I got to list this stuff. This is all from Ross. See, these are Ross finds. Those were really, really good. I'll sell these for about $58 a pair. This is a huge Under Armour coat. I'm going to sell this for, I think, 80 bucks. I paid 20 for it, I think. I'll sell it for around 80 bucks. And pretty much it's just these jogging pants and those. I didn't really pick up a lot of stuff. This is just a couple RA finds that I found and was like, wow, I'm just going to throw these up on eBay. I think I spent, like 200 or 180 bucks altogether. And I think I'll sell everything for about, let's see here, 100. I'm probably looking at like over 500 in sales, about 550 in sales-ish. And this is my death counter. So, but I'm going to show you this right now. So what I did was I found a store that was closing near me, Big R, and I bought all this stuff at Big R over the summer. All that is winter boots. I've actually been listing these winter boots here recently. All of that is brand new product, and I have a guest bedroom in my house about the size of this room. I don't know if I stand back, about the size of this room, and it's full up to the ceiling. I'm actually going to be bringing that over here sometime in the next week. It's a guest bedroom, so we don't use it. And that's all clothing and all shoes in my guest bedroom as well. And I bought all this stuff over the summer. I found this store that was closing. I RA'd all this stuff, and actually got a way better deal with a liquidation company. So those boots, when I bought them, were selling for about 40 to 50 bucks. I've been averaging, I sold 4 pairs of winter boots on eBay over the last week, and I averaged $70 a pair. So the boots have probably 3 times in price since I bought them. So I kind of felt like I kind of figured shortages were going to start coming like this, and as COVID got worse and worse. So basically what I did was I went out and I found some stores that were closing, and I bought a crap ton of stuff, and it's really paying off right now. If you have stores that are closing in your area, well, what I would do is try to make a deal with them, get some stuff cheap and hoard it back depending on what it is. A lot of the stuff I got was hunting stuff and shoes. I hoarded that stuff back, and it really paid off because now that stuff you can't find. Like even hunting stuff there's shortages of that. I'll show you something. There's shortages of hunting stuff, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So like the deer hunting sprays and the odor sprays, they're even hard to find right now. And I've been selling some of this stuff. I sold a 2-pack of this spray. So this is like the shampoo, but I sold a 2-pack of one of these and one of these sprays right here for $37. So I'm selling a lot of these sprays for way more than I paid for them. I sold one of these yesterday for 36 bucks. And I got all of that stuff on the store closeouts. So that's the thing. My retail arbitrage method for 2021 is a little different, and it looks a lot different. Now it's going to be really hard to find deals like that right now because, well, we're going into fourth quarter. But what I did is I searched for these deals in the summer, and I found them, and then I bought this deal specifically in the summer. And like I said, I have another room that's about the size of this room, and it is full to the ceiling in my house. I'm going to be bringing that over here in the next week or two. But what I can say is this. If you have any stores right now that's closing in your area, now would be the time to go there and try to make some deals with them, because the prices of stuff is going to be increasing over the course of Q4, quarter 4. They're already increasing now. I'm already seeing prices that I bought, like stuff over the summer. It's already increasing now. And it's not even like we just started Q4. So there is going to be a lot of shortages, and any store closing places, I would hop right on. That fan is super noisy. And so that's kind of my strategy for this year is I'm going to work on listing all that stuff on Amazon and eBay. I'm going to probably end up trying to find some more store closings in the first quarter of next year and do the same thing next year. I think we're going to be seeing these shortages until probably next summer. I don't know. That's just my theory. I think next summer. And when you go to Sam's Club, you know it's going to be a really tough year for retail arbitrage when you go to Sam's Club and they have no paper towels. That happened to me 3 days ago. So, hold on. There's some people. Oh, yeah, there's a parade here. So there's a parade. My building is in the downtown area. And there's actually going to be a parade today. So there's going to be a parade today, and you see there's people standing outside of my building and all over the place. And I actually can't leave now because of the parade. So I'm pretty much stuck up here for the most part. So that's fun.